Good morning, everyone. Sprinter Jack, Mercedes Atlanta Northeast with our very last 3500 heavy-duty dump truck. Body by Knapheide. Up front, it is the 3500 heavy-duty. It has 3 seats up front. On the back, each side will drop. You can add a piece of wood, so you can have more material in the bed. There is a cover for the road. The back gate itself drops. This side is also a drop. And then we get up to the really good part, which is dumping. There's a little safety chain that we take off. You push the handle down. Inside, up here, is the button. And as you can see, the back gate opens, so whatever you're loading dumps out. So if you're interested in this or any of our other vans here at Mercedes Atlanta Northeast, text me, email, call, Sprinter Jack, Mercedes Atlanta Northeast. Thanks for watching.